Welcome back to Tech Time with T. It's been a while. I just want to do a quick video for you. I have a 2016 BMW 535i xDrive. Today we're gonna do the a quick air filter replacement. All right, let's do it. I actually got the parts here from that Man Filter. That's what the name of the brand. And here's the part number C28125/1. All right, we got first thing we do, we got the T25 a stop point socket, which what you need. We actually have there's 6 of them. We actually take out. All right. All right, there's 6 total. It's 1, 2, 3 here, and 3 on the other side. Let's do the first 3. Just taking out the. You don't want to drop it, you know what I'm saying? Make my life a little easier here. Oh. All 3. All right, the next one after the 3, 4, 6 screws, let's go with the clamp here, which you need to take that off, and then this thing should come off easy. Just use a small flathead and just get it out. There you go, nice and loose right there. All right, once screws loose, just pop it out. It's very tight. You know what? You just pull it out completely. Why not? Got a vacuum in here in the way.
Turn it around. Around. Nice. Want to show anything else? The dirt.
All right. So basically, like you can see, there's a lot of debris here. Let's try to get it off, because you actually it's gonna be better. All right, while you're in under the car and you got the vacuum cleaner out, just try cleaning under this as well. Let's like pop this out like that, and just pop out. As you can see, there's so much debris in there. Let's vacuum that a little bit. As you can see, let's get rid of that. What happens when you live in New England? A lot of leaves. Let's do this. As you can see, you can't really, it's very tight. So you go with a flathead, the corner, and just remove. There we go. All around. Wow. And here you come. Yeah, a little dirty, right? You can see. It's time to switch it. It's not even soft anymore. Oh, look at that. It's cracking. Damn. Okay. It's a good time to replace it, right? It's been a long time though, that's why. This is 2016. I don't think we ever replaced it before. Okay, as you can see, this part of it is going to the front, so just go like that. Okay, nice and easy. Right in. Okay, make sure it's nice and snug. All the corners on all the sides, so that's what it's gonna be look like. All right, I have to put the cover back on. Do the thing up here first. wiggle, wiggle. And that. Okay, bring it down. Close it. Make sure the screws are aligned. Let me screw it in. That's it. That's all we're doing. Okay. All right. We do is just put do the first like here. Do all three here first. Just want to show to you. All right. Then you do all the three on the other side, and then you'll be all set to go. Sorry, I hear the baby's crying a little bit there. So what happened is backyard a mechanic, you know. Try to be a mechanic, save some money doing it while the baby's crying. All right, we're good. All right, let's tighten the clamp back on. For the flathead. I think we are tight. And we are good to go. All right, guys, that was it. That's how you change 2016 BMW xDrive, no 535i xDrive air filter. Just careful with that. Try not to crack the cover because it's plastic. Just carefully and go slow. All right. Thanks for watching. Take time with tea. Hopefully I can get you more video coming up. Thank you very much and have a good day.